Just a simple video to remove a car battery. Always start with the negative terminal first. Always, not with the positive, the negative. Okay? This one's a 10 millimeter. No. A little wiggle. Loose. Okay. Aside. Now I'll take the positive terminal off. At times it might be a little bit difficult. Just get like a screwdriver, wedge it in there. Set a little hammer. Work it back and forth. There we go. We got to get this bracket off the battery that's holding the battery to the frame. It's like it's a deep 10 millimeter. Okay, so that's loose. Bracket. Put it to the side. Now the battery is cleared. There it is. So now we're gonna replace the battery. In this case, we're gonna go to the bracket first. Secure the bracket. Tighten the bracket down. Okay, when that's done, now we're gonna go with the positive terminal first, not the negative, the positive, which is the red. Grab your tip. Stick that in. Put the cover on. And go to the negative terminal. When you're done, you just finish tighten up the the bracket, and that's it. You're done.